How to train and develop your leadership skills. Leadership is a critical skill for success in any field. Whether you're leading a team of employees, managing a project, or running your own business, strong leadership skills are essential. In this article, we will explore various ways to train and develop your leadership skills, including self-reflection, mentorship, and continuous learning. Understand your leadership style. The first step in developing your leadership skills is to understand your leadership style. This involves self-reflection and a willingness to assess your strengths and weaknesses as a leader. Here are some questions to ask yourself. What are my core values and beliefs? What are my strengths as a leader? What are my weaknesses as a leader? What leadership style do I naturally gravitate towards? How do I communicate with my team members? Answering these questions can help you develop a better understanding of your leadership style and identify areas where you can improve. Seek out mentorship. Mentorship can be a powerful way to develop your leadership skills. Look for mentors who have experience in your field and can offer guidance and support as you develop your skills. Here are some ways to find a mentor. Look within your organization. Look for leaders within your organization who have experience and expertise in your field. Reach out to them and ask if they would be willing to mentor you. Attend networking events. Attend networking events and conferences in your field. Look for opportunities to connect with other leaders and entrepreneurs who can offer mentorship or guidance. Join a professional organization. Join a professional organization in your field and participate in their mentorship program. This can be a great way to connect with experienced leaders who can offer guidance and support. Use online resources. Use online resources such as LinkedIn or other professional networking sites to connect with potential mentors in your field. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is another important part of developing your leadership skills. Here are some ways to continue learning and growing as a leader. Read books and articles. Read books and articles on leadership, management, and your industry. Look for new ideas and insights that you can apply to your own leadership style. Attend training programs. Attend training programs or workshops focused on leadership development. Look for programs that address your specific areas of weakness or that offer new perspectives on leadership. Take online courses. Take online courses on leadership, management, or your industry. Online courses can be a convenient and cost-effective way to continue learning and developing your skills. Seek feedback. Seek feedback from your team members, peers, and mentors. Ask for specific feedback on your leadership style and how you can improve. Practice self-reflection. Practice self-reflection and regularly evaluate your own leadership style. Identify areas for improvement and set goals for yourself to continue growing and developing as a leader. Here are some additional tips and